Let's proceed to the conversation now. We have the ambition to go through 3,000 words together. You have done 30 words today, so we can check them during our conversation. Please answer my questions. When and how often do you use envelopes? Do you comb or brush your hair? Are you in touch with your classmates from elementary school? Do you like guided tours? Can you describe any of your decorative pillows? How often do you watch TV or social media? Have you overcome anything bad recently? Can you tell a joke in English? How would you describe an island? Whose presence makes you nervous? And now create sentences or questions from following words. Flat, lazy, side, continue, thirsty. And now I will read the dictation for you. So please write it down and then read it. I've never considered spending any time in the desert, but now I'm in. I'll be sure to share my experiences with you once I get home. It's gonna be a total blast. Fingers crossed, I don't get sunstroke.